Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel Machining with Joe. So sorry I've been a bit inconsistent recently on the uploads, just I've had a lot going on in my day-to-day life. So to sum it all up, I'm in the process of moving house, so I've got a lot of stuff going on there, and also I've got to plan out where we're going to put all this stuff. So as you can imagine, moving a workshop to a different location is quite a big task in itself, and to top it all off, I'm having to build a workshop in the new house to home all this. So I'm probably going to share that with you guys in the future, but for now I'm digging out for the concrete pad and getting the old shed taken down, so I don't think any of you guys really want to see that. But once we get to the assembly stage and starting to build a new workshop, I'll be sharing that with all you guys. So for today, because everything's all a bit up in the air and all over the place, I'm going to be showing you guys building one of those little brass Helix sort of, what do you call them, models that I've seen on Facebook, YouTube. They've been all over the place at the minute, so I thought I'll jump on the bandwagon, machine one of those Helixes up and show you the finished product. So it's not going to be a lot of talking in this video, it's going to be more doing, so please sit back, enjoy, and give this video a thumbs up if you like the finished product. There we have it then, guys. The brass Helix is all done. Apologies again that there's not been much videos going on recently on the channel. Just there's lots going on in my life right now and I can't find the time at the minute to get in the workshop. But don't worry, there is videos coming. I just need to get this workshop all set up. So I appreciate your support on the channel. It means a lot to me, guys. Over the next few weeks, again, there won't be many videos, but I'll appreciate it if you bear with me, and I'll see you in some future videos where we should be building the new workshop. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. See you soon, guys.